What's the meaning of centrifuge? Centrifuge. Centrifuge.
Centrifuge. Centrifuge. A centrifuge is a machine that spins a sample at high speeds to separate its components based on their density. The sample is placed in a container and spun rapidly, causing the denser components to move towards the bottom of the container due to centrifugal force. This leaves the less dense components at the top. Centrifuges are used in many fields, such as in laboratories to separate blood samples or to purify DNA, and in industries to clarify liquids or to extract oil from seeds. Ultimately, centrifuges separate mixtures into their individual parts.